Welcome. In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to check this device's temperature. So in order to do this, we'll have to install an external program which is called CoreTemp. So you'll have to be connected to the internet, then open your web browser, whichever one you like the most, and search for CoreTemp. Let the camera focus. Okay, so search for something like this and you'll see their official website, which is allcpu.com. Open it, and to download this application, click right here. Now let's open the installation file and let me guide you through the installation process. Click yes. You can close this right now. Okay, click next, accept the user agreement to continue, select the directory into which you want to install the program. I'm gonna go with the default one, but if you'd like, you can change the directory for the program. Click next. Then if you want to create a desktop shortcut, leave this first checkbox checked. I'm gonna check it since I don't need it. Now make sure that you uncheck this checkbox before you install the program, because this one will, if you don't uncheck it, it will install some unwanted software on your PC. And if you want, you can install additional language packs. If you do, then leave this checkbox checked, but I'm not gonna need it, so I'm gonna uncheck it. Okay, and basically that's it for this page. Let's go to the next one and click install. Now that the program is installed, click finish, uncheck the readme part, and leave the launch CoreTemp checked and click finish. Okay, and right now we have the window on which we can see the CPU of our device, which is Intel Core 5 Raptor Lake, and we have the temperature readings below. So here we can see the current temperature for each core of the processor. In this column we have the minimum registered temperature for each column. In the next one we have the maximum registered temperature, and here we have the load for each core of the CPU of your device. And that's how you can monitor temperature on your laptop. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.